Let's look at this question. This question 8 will be about trigonometry, area, volume. Okay. Michelle has a field in the shape of quadrilateral ABC. And then we have a lot of measurement, each side, few angles. And here we have the drawing and we have all of them, the sides, the angles, all of them. The first part, we are told to use triangle ABC. So that's the triangle to use to find the value of x correct to one decimal place. And what is the value of x? That is a side. So triangle, what do we think about? Page 16 indeed. First question we ask ourselves, is it a right angle triangle or not right angle triangle? And in this case, it is not a right angle triangle. Here we have two options, sine rule and cosine rule to use. Sine rule involve two sides and two angle, and cosine rule three sides and an angle. So let's see which one are we going to pick. What are we looking for? X. What is X? It is a side. We put question mark beside side. What information do we have? We have 73, that is a side. We tick beside the side. Then we have 36. What's that? That's an angle, so we tick beside the angle. And then 81, another angle. So we can see that for the sine rule, we have all the information. For the cosine rule, we are missing a side, so we're not going to use that. Okay, now next stage, we put in letters to our own triangle. Doesn't matter which angle you pick as A, so let's say that will be A, therefore the side opposite is small a. This angle is B, therefore the side opposite is B. So the part of, I know that the sine will have three fraction, but we are not building three-sided equation. We are only building two-sided equation. So we are looking for A, so that need to be there. We have capital A, we have small b, we have capital B. Those two we're going to use in order to build our equation. So A is x, and that is divided by sin capital A, that is 36, and equal b small b, which is 73, and divided by sin of angle B, which is 81. How do we solve it? Two ways. It's fraction equal fraction. You can always cross multiply it. But in this case, we just need to get rid of the denominator. How do we get rid of denominator, the bottom of the fraction, division? We multiply, isn't it? And we multiply both sides of the equation. So that's why we have x equals 73 over sin of 81 multiplied by sin of 36. We put that in the calculator, and to one decimal place we get 43.4.